Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and I'm uploading a second video today because I wanted to show you guys a close-up look at these new Hot Wheels RLC pink Camaros from this past week's LA convention. And they look sweet in person, but I also wanted to let you know I have a couple of them for sale at a pretty good price. If you just want one, I've got them up for 45 bucks a piece. If you take both, I'll do 85 for both, plus shipping. And the reason I have two, I didn't really buy them to be a scalper. I bought one to do a video on and then resell or trade for something interesting Mopar. But the second one I picked up for a buddy of mine, and then he backed out, so now I have some of my money tied up in his, so I just want to get rid of both of them now. But yeah, he had a good reason for not getting it, so there's no hard feelings. So anyways, these are great looking cars, as you can see. Beautiful pink Spectra Flame finish, like always, on these cars. And this is very well done. Let me take him out of the protector pack so you can get a better look at him. The paint on the newer releases are very nice. I had the Power Wagon, the pink one, and I've said in some of my past videos, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, how bad I wanted that truck. And I finally got one for, it's about 300 bucks. I overpaid by 50, I think, but they're far few to come by. And when somebody has one and they know you really want it, they can name their price pretty much. But when I got it and I opened it out of the baggie, because the baggie was kind of fogged over, I started noticing blotches on the driver's side. And there wasn't bad. There was nothing wrong with the paint. It was kind of like, almost a little bit like the toning that the old red lines used to do with Spectra Flame, but not quite as bad as that. You had to have it in the right light and see it. But what I'm trying to say, these newer ones, though, they're pretty much flawless when it comes to their pink paint and such. And I think they take a little more time with the convention stuff and these pink party cars because, well, they're part of the convention, not just an RLC release, but it's a convention release. And anyways, yeah, as you can see on the back side, you have the window where you can see the car, so you really don't even have to open these. It's got a nice white interior, white top on the pink paint looks great. That's how the Power Wagon was, looked fantastic. Very nicely detailed engine. I guess this is based on an LS series engine. And you have the SS badge in the grille. Highly detailed grille too. Nice with the grille detail with the horizontal and vertical lines. And they're not just a tampo. Those are casted in. Looks very good. Nice detail with the headlights, your front bumper, your parking lights in the front valence. And the 5-spoke choice on this car is fantastic. And they got the tires right with the width. That's the one downside. I don't know if you can see them right here, the yellow 69 Charger. And all of them are like that. The back tires are skinny. The diameter is great. They have the big and small diameter. I prefer all the way around the same size, like the Motor Trend car, but if they're going to do it like this, that's fine, but make sure the back tires are really wide like this guy. The Chargers, they failed at that, but they still look good. This thing here is beautifully done. Card art is fantastic, and the Hot Wheels chrome foil letters, and hottest metal cars in the world, your Redline Club, and unfortunately though, these are not numbered, but they are fairly limited, I would say, but I don't know how many, but I'm going to say it's probably upwards of like 20,000, probably, because you have to figure they handed these out to everybody at the convention, and I think they had an opportunity to buy more if they wanted to, and then they had a limit of buying 2 per Redline Club member, and it lasted for like 30 or 40 minutes before these sold out. So yeah, there's probably upwards of 20,000 or so of these. So I'm not going to say it's super limited, but they're super nice, and it was a sellout, so it is a very desirable car. And as you can see, tail lights nicely detailed. Once again, you got your SS badge. Nice detail on the chrome bumper. Very, very cool looking car. And it says SS something. Sorry, I can't read it all. But anyways, fantastic looking car. And if you do want one, you should contact me either in the comments here, but I really can't like do a deal through the comments here. But you could find me on Instagram, same name, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast, and you can DM me there, and I will respond to your messages, unless I'm totally sold out by the time you message me. But yeah, same name as I have here on the YouTube channel. I also sell on eBay, same name also, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. The only problem is if you go there, these are going to be $45, but you're going to pay tax and the shipping, but you'll be taxed on it. If you buy direct from me, there's no taxes, so that's one benefit you'll save on that. And the only thing it would be is if you pay through the goods and services through PayPal, then you have to pay the 3% fee, which is probably a half or third of most state taxes. So you're still saving. And anyways, yeah, that's the only thing I'm set up for. So no cash apps, nothing like that, just PayPal. And I've been in the business for a long time, so I'm very trustworthy. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Wraps it up for these. And here's the second one. So you can see I have two in hand, ready to go. They come in the Protecto. Both cards are very, very nice. Pretty much perfect in my opinion. Corners are nice. No soft corners. The top corner here is nice and sharp. The edges are nice and sharp. No separating on the plies of cardboard paper. Blisters not cracked, very nicely done. Both cars have great looking paint, is what I can tell seeing through the blister. But yeah, so if you need one, let me know. And make sure you check out my video I did for today, the 2 for Tuesday video. It is the new M2 Power Wagon Christmas set. And just another thing, if you guys have anything for trade regarding Mopar, I am looking for another Christmas set of those Macho Power Wagons. I'd be willing to trade one of these Camaros for a set of the Macho Power Wagon Christmas ornaments. If you have one set available, definitely would trade. And also I'm looking for a few of the older Power Wagon, not Power Wagons, but Ram Chargers and Trail Dusters from Green Light. And I am also looking for the new pick-em-up truck hauler, auto hauler set with the white pick-em-up truck and the flat trailer and the yellow Project in Progress 69 Roadrunner. That I couldn't trade even for, but like 20 bucks and that set would do and such. So if you have anything regarding the M2 like Mopar trucks or Green Light Ram Chargers and Trail Dusters, make sure you mention that to me, because I'm really into those right now and would trade for some, even maybe some Auto World Challengers, so modern Challengers, and same thing with Green Light modern Challengers, Durangos, Chargers. I'm trying to build enough in my stable of modern Mopars to fill the whole dealership with modern stuff to give it a different look for now. But anyways, just let me know what you got. Cash, trade, whatever. So once again, contact me on IG is the best way at Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. Thanks for watching.